Recording in progress.
Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. Right. Yesterday, I given some questions to you. Anyway, one question is bank transaction. I added the notes to you. I forget it to add. Minute. 1 minute. I'll add and I'll start. So three assignments I given yesterday for you. Hope notes not available. I forget it. Sorry. Yesterday I was I left the block bit early yesterday. I think that 11 a.m. batch this room overflowed. It's totally flowed. So they changed the block. I changed the block. I am unable to put it. Okay. This is for third. Okay. Yesterday's notes is ready anyway. Uh, Notes is there for you. You can cross check it. Can I go forward for today's class? Right. Okay. So we are under selection statements going on. Yesterday bit lengthy program I given. Unfortunate yesterday notes not there. Today and tomorrow you can do. So I'm not providing solution now only. Okay, right. I'll scroll back. Today I want to provide pending solutions. I want to provide because again next week syllabus part is very huge is coming. Okay, right. So pending part means I'll scroll back. I'll go with the student solution first. So let me finish out that student solution once. Somewhere this is a student solution. Assignment. This solution I'll provide it. The solution. Okay. Here. Update above program by displaying result. The result also I want you to take subclass, I think. Use subclass concept to calculate the result, which means subclass method will return the result. If any subject marks, I think, subject marks entered in between 0 to 34, then the result must be fail. So on the day, the program is there for you. Demo method 7. Okay, right. I'll modify the demo method 7. I'm modifying. Right. Same program. I'll modify. That this program you'll get complete program. Complete. Till the ending, you'll get complete. Complete means student name will come, branch will come, roll number will come. The student, whenever he enter the branch available or not, we are going to check it. Roll number length, we are going to check it. Roll number matching with the branch or not, we are going to check it. Then 6 subject marks will come. Student contact will come. Student address also will come. Complete information will come till the ending. So suddenly we never code all. Just I am coding only marks part I am coding. Remaining part I am not coding. So later on I will code it. Okay, right. Why means string chapter should come to code the remaining parts. Like this, multiple students also will come. Array, collection, read multiple students means multiple student details will come out. When you come to Advanced Java, we'll ask you to design one HTML form related to student. One HTML form design. That HTML form, database you are entering Oracle. We ask you to create tables. Contact table and address table, result table, details table. This 4 tables should be interlinked with the primary key roll number that you are learning from database trainer. So that knowledge, HTML form knowledge, here logic knowledge, there many application will come in the Advanced Java. Understood this point now? So student registration, student view, like this, we do small mini application based on that. So this is the biggest process. Suddenly we cannot get all the solution at a time. All of understood this point. So what is needed now means, sir, I can understand numeric values. I can understand because I am in the starting stage, sir. Numeric value I can understand. If you say comparing branch available or not, my mind will not work, sir. It takes time. So chapter by chapter, we are going to update and come. So now I am working with students marks related. I am working. Because I started with 6 subject marks only I started. These 6 subject marks for whom information not there. Which student you are calculating information not there. Just okay. This program let me run once. So demo methods 7. Let me execute once. Java C demo methods 7.java. So enter 6 subject marks 89, 90, 98, 99, 78, 9. So here percentage is coming, but result is not coming. Let us display the result first. Let us display the result first. Whenever you want to display the result, I given a condition. Based on the percentage, you are going to calculate the result. Now that percentage calculation, you must do with the subclass. You can take any subclass. Here I am taking one subclass. Class means above this, no? Right. Here I am taking result. If not, you can take student result. You can take any one name. The student result, I want to take one method known as calculate. I want to take one method known as calculate. If not calculate, I'm generating the result. No, I'll take generate result. I will take generate result. I'll take by taking the percentage. Take the percentage as parameter. Take the percentage as parameter and generate one result. Okay, right. This generate result method return type is a string. How many of you got this idea? Anybody? Return type of method will be string. Why means distinction, first class, second class should come or not now. For that, return type of this method is string now. Now, based on percentage, if the percentage is greater than or equal to 70 and the percentage is less than or equal to 100, then you must say RETURN, return distinction, you can say. Return distinction, you can say. Your return distinction. Else, if the percentage is greater than or equal to 60 and the percentage is less than 70, you can RETURN, return first class, FIRST, first class, you can say. Else, if percentage greater than or equal to 50 and percentage less than 60, we are calling it as RETURN, return second class. All of you understood what I am writing? Right, it is returning. Now, else, I can write third class, I can write RETURN, return third class. Sir, what about fail? Anyway, if any subject marks entered less than 34, fail only coming, no? Just I am writing up to third class. All of you understood this code? Say yes or no to me. Right, okay. Now, whenever I want to generate one result now, create object for student result, call this method generate result based on the percentage like this. Here, create object for student result. Student result, some SR is equal to new student result. New student result. Now SR dot generate result. Pass this percentage as parameter. This percentage as parameter. It returns string. Result will come or not now? Yes or no? Na? One second. So display that result. System dot out dot println. So here result is equal to res. Result is equal to res. Now let me run this program once. Now run it. Compile the program. Execute the program. 98, 77, 65, 45, 56, 53. You got the first class or not now? 65.666, you got the first class. Result is first class. Now, I am giving some second class I want to give. 55, 56, 54, 53, 52, 58. You got the second class or not now, roughly. So it is working anyway. But our target is, sir, all marks 98, 90, 97, 95 some, 93 and 9. The result is distinction. But I want the result as a fail. Right. Can I write the logic for it? Now see the logic. Sir, how you will check it? How I'll check it means, we are under loop now. While loop is running. Inside the while loop, each subject is coming anyway. If any subject you entered less than 0 or greater than 100, you are getting invalid marks and skipping the data. Okay, right. I'll write one more condition to check the marks. If the subject marks greater than or equal to 0, where is and subject is less than or equal to 34. This is fail condition, no? Right. This is fail. Now, I'll take one variable here. I'll take one Boolean variable. I'll take Boolean variable. Some B is equal to false. I will take. What is a Boolean variable I took now? False. So, whenever this condition is true, I'll make this variable as true. I'll make it. Whenever this condition is true, I'll make this variable true. If B variable modified from false to true, if B variable modified from false to true means any one subject entered in between 0 to 34. That is a proof. Now, using this B variable, you must display the fail. Sir, how I'll display it now? Down here. Here one string is there or not now here, right? Suppose you can pass this string as, means you can pass as parameter here, or you can check here also. Here, if of P means P value will be true or not now. Example, if P value is true, if P value is true here P value became true. True means fail, no? Right. So you can display the result. You can display the result as fail. You can display. Yes or no? Na? Suppose P value became true means fail. P value not true means then you can create object and find the result. You can take the object and find the result. All have understood this statement, right? Let us see if it works or not. Now, compile the program. I took P, B na. B I took. I took B value. I took. Right. 98, 99, 97, 96, 94, and 9. Can I see fail came or not now? Have you observed that fail? Right. So that idea anybody got? Raise your hands. Nobody got the idea? Okay. So whether you will get that idea or not, it is a question. Assignment meaning that only. Assignment means anybody done any other format? Raise your hands. Any other format? No problem. I want the answer only. Any other format. So any one idea you should get it. To get that idea, you will think, no, that thinking important here. Sir, I am thinking, sir, that is important. Thinking is an exercise. When you exercise something, strength will come. So I want you to think it. Coming or not. How many of you tried this? Raise your hands. Very good. Tried also nothing but thinking only. Sir, some 10-15 minutes I'm thinking, sir, mean that is an exercise. You have to do exercise on the brain for us. Code writer, exercise on the brain. Only we people will do exercise with the brain. So daily you should think something about your code writing. Then only the mind expansion will come. Very important point. Okay, right. So anyway, hope you understood the logic, I think. See there. This is while loop, sir. I'm entering the subject marks. If it is less than 0 or greater than 100, invalid marks. Continue means skip all these statements. You have to skip it. Because any subject marks entered wrongly, you have to skip all that statements will be skipped by using continue. Suppose subject marks are in 0 to 100. Then you have to check it is in the 0 to 34. If it is 0 to 34, I'll make this variable as true. I'll make this variable as true. Whenever it becomes a true, remaining subjects I don't want to read it means you can stop it actually. So one subject fail, no sir, why to read remaining all means you can stop it. But you must not stop it. You must read all the subjects and you must give the fail no. In your applications also, you will read all subjects of a student. Any data entry operator is there. Example, they given a student results to the data entry operator. What he knows, he'll open one page and he'll enter. Roll number, name and marks will be entered. One data entry operator will be there no. One data entry operator, he will be entering. He'll enter all subjects and he'll submit. He don't know fail, pass, calculation. The program has to do the work or not now. So like this, if any subject marks he entered means immediately fail will be registered in the database. After data entry has been completed, if we take a report, then it will be there. Roll number, name, branch, his address and phone number, mail ID, then total marks, percentage, result will be there. And in the result, fail or pass will be. Percentage will be 80% like this. Percentage will be 80%, but result will be fail. When the result is fail, any one subject marks fail. But how to know, sir, which subject failed means? This you don't know, don't do now. Now you don't do it. In your advanced Java, one application we are going to demonstrate to you. The application is student management system we take. In the student management system, like supervisors are there, no? These are all management people who are organizing and they're all management people. Generally, you two people are linked. I am not linked. Means I am not involved in the ID card and so on. I am not involved. So they are all management issues will be there. Right? Okay. So management person, he logged in. Whenever he logged in, he has his username, password, no? With that username, password, the page will come. Student management system page will come, roughly. He want to see all the student details he want to see. Understood this point now? He want to see all details. Then he will click, I want all student results I want. So all records will be displayed here. All records will be displayed. All of you understand now? When the record is displayed, side one hyperlink will be there. All records will be displayed and side one hyperlink will be there. In your HTML trainer will train hyperlink, href. Href means what now? Hyperlink reference. If we click it, another page will be linked. That HTML trainer will train it. There we give one hyperlink, means view marks. One hyperlink will be given. So whenever you want to see the marks now, you will click on view marks. The student marks will be displayed. So first subject how many and so on marks will be. You don't want to see the marks, you see the result only. Fail means you want to see how many subjects he has been failed. He click on view marks, their marks will come. Telugu this much and Hindi this much, he has been failed will come. Understand? That application we are only doing. Understand this point or not now? Here you can write that program, but lengthy will come. You can write here also. When the arrays comes, you can write it. We can store the data in the array. All subject marks you can store in the array and keep it. But lengthy will come. Code will be very lengthy. You also can do that application here also. Lengthy will come. Because we'll ask the students, don't do that kind of applications here. Immediately whenever we start advanced Java, we'll try these applications there. All of you understood the way now? Right. Here the logic is, I took one variable, B I took it. Now I assigned B value with false. Whenever I entered a subject marks in between 0 to 34, I'll modify this value to true. So whenever false modified to true, then one subject has been failed. One or more than one something. Of course, I'm not recording the history here, but one or more than one. So based on that B, if of B, no need right here, B equal to true. You must write like this actually. B equal to true. Error will not come. Error not coming. That syntax also correct only, because actual rule that only no. You have to compare B is equal to true or not. You have to compare, because equal to is a comparison operator, no. But other given flexibility. Why write this? B is already Boolean variable only, no. B is what type of variable? Boolean. Boolean means already true or false only available there. You write B directly. Whenever B directly, B will give a true or B will give a false here. If B is true now, this line is executed. B is false now, these lines are executed. False means what? All subject marks you entered correctly, go for the result. Then create object, then call them. Where is object creation? This object creation also must be inside only. Because whenever you want, you are creating object or not now. Whenever it is false only, I'll create object, I'll call the method, I'll pass the percentage, get the result, display the result. That's a code. Right. All of it clear? Right. Okay. So if I travel from core to advanced as a trainer, if I travel with you, I'll give this kind of application to you. All of you understand now? This kind of application will give to you. So before going to that application, what are the logical parts, small things, all will write in the core Java books. Now marks calculated. You are waiting for what now? Student names are, branch are, roll numbers are, contacts are. This you are waiting. That parts will introduce later on to you. All of you clear about this solution? Say yes or no to me. Right. So run once and keep it. So here modified. Here program demo methods 7.java modified. Modified code. Suppose I entered all so fail is coming anyway. Right. All of you understood this? Okay, right. Now, so this solution I given to you. Anyway, I scroll up for you. On that I given students. Before that any program is there, I provided already. Here one document is there. Let me finish out that also, because next document is waiting. So let me finish out this document, and next 3-4 programs are waiting to you already. Already bank transaction program is there in your hand, and today one more document will be uploaded. I'm giving the solution for this document. How many programs are there in the document now? 5 programs. The 5 programs looks the same only. All programs same. So second document will be bit complicated will be there. Second document will be like this. Third document, fourth document, fifth document. I am not understanding, sir, you must say. So that level of documents will be increased and come. Means the level slowly. 1 week back, sir, I can understand only some calculation part. So I given that document as more simple, but in this document also, student has to gain one knowledge, how to read the question and write the answer. So let me provide solution for all this and come. Correct. This document solution I'm providing. See there. I'll take it. I'll take the programs as subclass. I'll take test1. Assignment programs, I'll take it as a program 1 I'll take. So A program 1, I will take it. Okay, right. Like this. First, let me open the document and keep it. And also one question only waiting for you. Right. This is the document. So I am taking the program. Assignment program 1 I am taking. I'll take one subclass as test 1 I will take. Subclass always I'll take test 1. Right, look here. What is the first question now? Define a method which returns 1 if the given number is even. In other case returns 0. Means even number means return 1. Odd number means return 0. That's the meaning. Okay, right. But I only given the method name also here. So name of method must be is even, which accepts integer as argument, nothing but parameter, and returns 1, same. Argument is int and return type is integer. Return type is integer, parameter is integer, method name is even. So here method name given. Is even, method given. The method return type is int, value also int. So int parameter, that only question. All of you understood this question, right? Here, if it is even number, return 1, if not return 0, right? Like this. Even means what now? Sir, modulo divided by 2. Esa nona, n modulo divided by 2 equal to 0. And else. Here RETURN return 1. Here RETURN return 0. That only know question. Easy or not now? On that day, whether you are able to write one subclass with one condition inside the method or not, I given a question. Is a point. So here import java.util.scanner. You have to take it. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in. Now system.out.println. Enter the value. So int value is equal to s dot next int. So I must pass this value parameter to is even. Is even method is non-static. You have to create object for test 1. You have to create object. So test 1 ob equal to new test 1. So call it ob dot is even of value. This will return one result to you, that is int result will be there. The result you are printing 0 or 1, you are going to print it. So system dot out dot println here result is equal to, I'll print res, I'll print it. If I enter even number, 1 will come. If I entered odd number, here 0 will come. Save the program with main class. A program, assignment program 1 dot Java. You run it. So run this program now. Java C A program 1 dot Java. So enter one value here. So I'll enter 45. 45 even or odd? So 0 will come. Understood the question now? Right. Okay. Today for you, when I given these questions and today your level increased. Means on that day, today different now. 1 week back, this week different already. So this difference is there for you. Hope you are understanding this small code. So here, program, I'll paste this all to you. Program name I took it as a program 1.java. This is main class. Right. Right. All of you understood the first program? Easy only, no? Right. Go for the second program. Second program, greatest. Get greatest. Get greatest is the method. Accept two integer values and return the greatest value. Here, method name is get greatest. Arguments are of type integer. Return type is integer. Specifications. If any of the given numbers are negative, if any of the given numbers are negative, you must write what now? -1. If any of the given number is 0, you must write -2. If not, if all numbers are positive, you must write greatest. Let me write this program. Sir, I am taking next program. I am taking a program 2. I am taking a program 2. I am taking here class test2. I will take it. Inside this, according to the question, get greatest method we have to take it. Get greatest method you have to take it. This get greatest method is having two parameters. Two are integers. So int x comma int y. Int x comma int y. Return type also integer only here. Return type also integer. Now, here the conditions. If any of the given number are negative, the meaning if x value less than 0 or y value less than 0. If any one of the given number is negative, if any of the given numbers are negative, return -1. So, return, return -1. Else, if. What is the next specification here now? If any of the given number is 0, -2 means x equal to 0 or y equal to 0, you must return -2. return, return -2. Else. Then else means you have to calculate the greatest. So in the else block here, else block means greatest must come. But whenever you want to send a greatest now, again I must write if else blocks now, right? Inside the else blocks, I am writing x is x greater than y. If it is x greater than y, else x less than y. If x is greater than y, return, return x. Else what now? return, return y. How many have done this program? Raise your hands. Because these many conditions will come inside. So whether a student will be managing these conditions or not, that is the assignment. So taking one method, writing one if condition by reading this, whether he will read these conditions and he will make the program or not. That is actually the question given to you. First program normal only. Second program what happened now? If else came, inside that else again if else came. Whether the student is able to keep them or not, I given a question to you. Okay, right. Now let me run this program here. So import java dot util dot scanner. I'm writing here. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Here enter the two values, no, v1 and v2. So two values I want it. System dot out dot println. Enter the value 1. Int v1 is equal to s dot next int. So system dot out dot println. Enter the value 2. Int v2 is equal to s dot next int. Two values we are reading, v1 and v2. Create object for test2. Call the method test2. Here test2 ob equal to new test2. Now ob dot get greatest of v1 comma v2. The method name is get greatest. Return type is result. Int result. Now display the result. System dot out dot println. Here result will be anyone. So that is res. See how the result will come. Save the program with a program 2. A program 2. A program 2. Dot Java. So run it. Suppose I given 1 0 1 12 minus 2. If any one value is 0, minus 2 will come. If any one value is negative, minus 12 and 13, minus 1 will come. If I entered two positive values, then greater value will come. All of understood the question? Right. Instead of adding this program, that concept through this program is, sir, on demand of my logic, I can write if else. Inside the else also, inside the if also, I can write it. So this question will educate you by reading the specifications and writing that. Okay, right. Quite opposite to this program 2 is program 3 will be there. What is it now? Get least number. Just the same thing only will be there. I'll copy this program here. Like this. So here I took second program as a program 2.java. This is one main class. I'll take it. Now, a program 2. Save as a program 3.java. I am saving. A program 3 I am saving. Here difference is method name changes. What is the method name now? Get least number. Get least number. Least number. Get least number. Here, instead of this all will be same. Here greater than or less than or less than. Only one symbol will be changed. Automatically lower value will come. Remaining all same only. Remaining all no difference. Same. Here, test 2 or test 3? Okay. Correct only, no? Least number. Okay. Now run this. A program 3, I will run it. So here, same answer will be there. 23 and 11. Least value is coming or not now? Same. Quite opposite only. No difference. Be there. So program A program 3. Program A program 3. Not Java. The main class. Right. 3 programs completed. No, right. All are asking question about 4th program. So generally 4th program only some problem is there, sir, for me. Right. Many students are 4th program. This is 4th. Here odd rounder. One question is there. A program 4. I will take it. A program 4. I will take it. Class test 4. I will take it. Method name is odd rounder. ODDROUNDER. Odd rounder. Define method which returns the number if it is even, if it is an even number. If the number is odd, then return the next multiple of 10. Before that, return type of this method is integer. Arguments is type integer anyway. So I'll take integer value here. Now specifications, let us see. What are the specifications? If any of the given number is negative, where is this? Here they copied. If the number is negative, whatever the number you given, negative. How many arguments? Only one argument. Okay. If that n value less than 0. If the n value is less than 0. If the given number is negative, return -1. RETURN, return -1. Else, the given number is 0, -2. If that n value equal to 0, then return -2. Else means you must write the logic. Else you have to write the logic. The logic is nothing but if the given number is even, return same number. Here, inside this, if it is even means what now? N modulo divided by 2 equal to 0. 0. RETURN, return n value. All of you understood up to here? Says or no to me? Right. If it is not even number, if it is odd number, what we have to do? That's the point. Sorry, if it is odd number, next multiple of 10. Right. Suppose n value 23. N value 23 is odd number. Yes or no? Na? So n value 23 odd number means the answer must be 30. Yes or no? Na? That is 30. So next multiple of that number. Next multiple of 10. Next multiple of 10. Next multiple will be 30 only. Suppose I entered 47. I entered. N is equal to 47. So next multiple of 10 will be 50 here. So what is the logic? See there. Sir, take this 2 outside. Take that 2 outside. Take that 2 outside. Plus 1 you do. After doing plus 1, you do into 10. Then 30 will come or not now? Yes or no? Na? That only logic. The same process you follow. Take 4 here. 4 plus 1 plus 1 into 10. 4 plus 1 is what now? 5. 5 into 10 is what now? 50. Not only logic. Right. How to take that 2? 2 is a remainder or quotient? If it is multiple, divide 23, I want 2. How will get 2? Sir, from 23, how will get 2? Sir, 23 divided by 10, 10 to 20, remainder 3. 2 is quotient or not now, right? How will get the quotient? Divided by a modulo divided by a. Divided by what now? 10. I given 47 now. 47 divided by 10 now. 10 fours 40, remainder is what now? 7. I am getting 4 here now. I must divide it by 10, no? I must divide it by 10. Sir, if it is 3 digits, sir. Sir, if it is 3 digits, how will do, sir? See there. 177, if not 79, I will take it. N is equal to 179, I will take it. Better 175, I will take it. Is it even number only, no? Odd number, no? Right, okay. Now, what must be the answer now? Sir, 180 should come. Answer must be 180. 180 means you must take 17 outside. You must take 17 plus 10. Sorry. Plus 1 into 10. Into 10. So 180 will come. All have understood this? Right. So how 17 will come again? Sir, 175 divided by 10 now. 10 17s 170. Yes or no? Na? So again quotient is coming or not now? So modulo, sir, divided by 10 you have to do. See that I am doing. Sir, in our logic, here, take one value. Int k is equal to n divided by 10, I will take it. After that, k plus 1, k plus 1 into what now? 10. You are getting one result or not now? Return that result. RETURN. You can return the result or not now? K plus 1 into 10. That's the logic. Whether you're getting the answer or not, let me cross check. Okay, right. Actually, you should do more work. Roughly, you should not work. Roughly, code writing not possible. More hours you have to spend. More hours. Very important statement. That much of easily not possible. So more hours means you must think that only. Eating also one logic you have to think it. That is the way of getting a job. Roughly not possible. Roughly you cannot survive. Competition is very high today. Coming days will become very horrible. If you have worth, you will stand. If not, you will be filtered. That much of huge competition is coming nowadays. Day by day, nowadays, school students are also becoming code writers. So one day it will be a very huge, hard task for us. So how you should spend more time? When you are not understanding, you should not leave it. You must catch that only, and you must think other way. Maybe these are all small things, maybe, but later on, I'll be increasing and coming. So if you spend the time only, you'll get it. Put on a paper, think something. By seeing that result, any idea is coming or not. Every question, not only even HackerRank, I not opened still now. I'll open that HackerRank. I'm going to open it, not now. After string chapter, I'll open it. If you open now also, you will not understand. It takes time. So after string chapter, we'll open the models and show to you. Whenever you want to understand one question and logic, you must see the output first. Because they'll give a output down, always output. From that output, student will grasp some idea. That idea you should write. Understood this point now, right? Very important things that is. Now, here, let me return that the answer is coming or not. Let me cross check once. Here, import java.util.scanner. I'll take it. Now, scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. System.out.println. Enter the value. Int v1, enter the value. Int v is equal to s dot next int. Now create object for test4. You have to create object. Test4 OB equal to new test4. Now OB dot, what is the odd rounder? Odd rounder of B. It is returning one result. Display that result. Some result. RES. Now save the program with a program 4. So compile and run it. A program 4. Enter the value. I'll enter -2. -1 will come. I'll enter 0. -2 will come. I entered some 44. 44 means 44 only will come. Because even number, no? Right. I'll enter 47. I'll enter. 47 means 50 should come. Round after coming or not now? Right. Now, I'll enter 173. I'll get it. 180 I should get. It is the answer, no? All have understood the logic? Yes or no now? So, program a program 4 dot Java. I'll copy the programs there and come for your typing. Right, so part. So we had last program. Anyway, last program looks simple only. Hope you understood this logic. So here I kept it. This logic pattern I kept here. How I am taking. I'll copy this also to you once. So whenever you see the inputs and outputs, idea will come. When you see the inputs and outputs, idea will come. So that you have to try. Then only you can do your logics part. Okay, right. Now last one. Last one will be easy only. So find sign anyway. Define a method reason if the given number is positive, return -1. If the given number is negative, what is this? Sorry, 1 for positive number, -1 for negative value, -1 for negative, 0 for 0. This is easy only, no? So no need to write the logic for it. Yes or no? Na? Just positive number means some 1 coming, negative number means -1 coming, 0 means 0. Of course, this is not needed. My intention, this one only, right? Right. Hope you understood. These 4 programs, I'll add it. So this document, what I given, close it out. So these 4 programs, I'll add it. Okay, right. Hope you understood, everyone. So any other questions are there for you? Yesterday's questions are there. Sum of given number. This you can do, no? Yes or no? Na? Right. Take one assignment. Sir, you are only giving assignment, but we are not doing, sir. Anybody is there like this? Right. So my intention is like this now. You have to display 1 to n values you have to display. Wherever the odd number is there, replace with the next multiple of 10. Same logic, you have to write it. So how the output will be there means make it. Write a program to display the numbers from 1 to n. Note. The condition is replace all odd numbers with next multiple of 10. Replace all numbers with next multiple of 10. Odd numbers with next multiple of 10. The meaning, suppose input I given n is equal to 20 I given. Whenever I given n is equal to 20, what is output now generally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But wherever the odd number is there, odd number should be replaced with next multiple, 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 replace with next multiple, replace with next multiple. Like this, it should replace with the next multiple and come. So wherever the odd number is there, it should be replaced with the next multiple. All of you understood the question first? So this logic you are running under loop. Above logic you are running under loop. Whether you are in position to display this logic repeatedly under the loop or not, that is assignment. Whether you can control this logic under one loop or not. Got it right? Now, I'll write one program, example program. I'll write today one program. I'll write. Write a program to read a number and check the number is prime number or not. What is prime number? Which is having only two factors, 1 and itself. Note. The number which is having only two factors, 1 and itself, is known as prime number. The number which is having only two factors, 1 in itself, is known as prime number. Right. I'll write the program in the main class only. I'll write. I will not write in subclass. I'll write normally. See there. These all programs I'll add today for you. What are the pending work is there? You complete all. Tomorrow Sunday, you have to complete it. So next week will be different assignment. Next week, creating project using IDE Eclipse. So next level will be different. Next Saturday, different. Next Saturday, IDE Eclipse will come. Java project will be there. So the level of code will be different in the next week. Right. Next coming Saturday, you'll be doing inheritance assignment. So next week, creating Java project. That coming week, inheritance program, interlinking objects, interlinking classes. The level will be very high in the next coming 2 weeks. So whatever the pending work is there, you have to do this Saturday, already Saturday. Tomorrow you have to review all and check it out. How many pending that all you type it manually and practice it. Any assignments pending is it, try it. If you cannot do it, turn the page back and write it and keep it. This assignment I now incompleted, keep it. Whenever I provide a solution, you can take it. That solution I will give, bank transaction I only will give to you, but not now, next week. Means Monday, I must conclude the JVM architecture and go for the next syllabus. After now, since 4 days, I am in the control structures only. I am giving a more time in control structures. So next week, I must move the syllabus again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I must move the syllabus and come. Again, I'll stop somewhere and I'll write it. That's the plan. If I move the syllabus in the next week only, that coming week will be inheritance. That coming week, you'll get eligibility for Advanced Java. Around 25th, you'll get eligibility for Advanced Java. Advanced Java will start parallelly also. Understood, right? Okay. So be alert. Don't think you are a new batch. You are an old batch only. Those are also completed, right? Okay. Old batch you are. Only for Dasara holidays not there means this level will be different actually. But anyway, look here. I am writing a program. Demo methods 13. I am taking. Demo methods 13. Right. Import java.util.methods scanner, taking scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot in system dot out dot println, enter some value or number. V is equal to S dot next enter. You have to check this value is prime number or not. Enter one number, enter the number. Just I'm using a term number, nothing is there. And value. I must check whether it is prime or not. I have to check it. So I will check prime now. Example, n value I took 7. 7 is a prime number. How you are saying is, sir, how I am saying S means 7 modulo divided by 1. 7 modulo divided by 2. According to Java language, I am writing modulo divide. Modulo divide remainder quotient. Remainder. So 7 modulo divided by 3. 7 modulo divided by 4. 7 modulo divided by 5. 5. 7 modulo divided by 6. 7 modulo divided by 7. Like this. I done up to 7 I done it, sir. Because you given 7, no sir, I given 7. Among this, here remainder 0, here remainder 0. Yes or no, na? Remaining all, remainder 0 not coming, sir. Means what? How many factors are available now? 2 factors. This is 1 and this is 2. So the number which is having 2 factors, I can call it as a prime number. So I modulo divided from 1 to 7 I done it. Suppose I given n is equal to 4. Prime number or not prime number? Not prime number you will say. How you are saying not prime number means again 4 modulo divided by 1 sir. 4 modulo divided by 2 sir. 4 modulo divided by 3 sir. 4 modulo divided by 4 sir. Here remainder will be 0 here. Remainder will be 0 here. Remainder will be 0 here. So how many factors are available now? 3 factors. So it is not meeting the condition. Means what is the logic now? The given number should be modulo divided by up to that number. That's the point. So we are starting from 1, ending with 4. We are starting from 1, ending with 7. So starting value, ending value, no. You must use while loop or for loop. For loop. See that I am writing. So I must write one for loop, sir, here. I am writing one for loop, sir. The for loop I have to start with int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. I'll stop by n value or not now. If it is a 4, I stopped by 4. If it is a 7, I stopped by 7. Means I'm stopping by n value or not now, right? So you are dividing now. What you are doing now? If that I value, if that n value is common here, no? N value means 7 means what? 7, 7, 7, 7. This is common or not now? Here 4, 4, 4 it is common. So what is common now? N is common. N modulo divided by I equal to 0. All of you understood this condition now? I value will be changing or not now? I will be 1, I will be 2, I will be 3. Understood the logic now? So if it is true, I must count it. How many factors are there? I should count it. For the counting, I am taking one variable where count is equal to 0, I will take. All of you got this point now, right? Count is equal to 0. So int count is equal to 0. Whenever the condition is true, I'll increment the count. Count plus plus, I'll increment. If n is equal to 7, count increments how many times? If n is equal to 7, count increments how many times? 2 times, because the condition becomes true for 2 times. Yes or no? Na? Excuse me. Right. Now, here count is equal to 0. This condition will become true. 7 modulo divided by 1 true. 7 modulo divided by 7 true. So 2 times condition true means count will become 2. All of you understood this? Right. Now, after this one, here condition. If that count reaches to 2, you can say prime number. Else you can say what now? Not prime number, you can say. So system dot out dot println. This is prime number. Prime number here. System dot out dot println. Here not prime number. Prime number, not prime number. If the count is equal to 2, it will be a prime number. If not prime number. I'll save it. I will run it. I'll explain once again to you. Sir, 13 here. A programmer demo methods. Demo methods 13. Enter the number 7. Answer is coming or not now? Enter the 4. So what is the logic here? See there. Sir, whenever I given 7 here, I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 7, true. 7 modulo divided by 1 equal to 0, true. Count plus plus. Count became 1. Then end of the loop. I plus plus. I is equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 7, true. 7 modulo divided by 2, false. This condition became false. I plus plus 3, false. I plus plus 4, false. I plus plus 5, false. I plus plus 6, false. I plus plus 7, true. The condition became true once again. The count will become what now? 2. So how many times the condition is true, the count increments. When the count will be 2 means it is prime number, else it is not a prime number. All of you understood this? Say some more to me. Right. So this is one small program about prime. Demo methods 4 dot. Take one more assignment. Write a program to display all prime numbers. All prime numbers from 1 to n. Prime number logic I given, you display all prime numbers you do. Suppose input I given, n value is 20. What is the output? All prime numbers should come now. What are the prime numbers within the 20 now? 3, 5, 7, 9 also there. 9 not there. Next 11, 13, 17, 19. Which one? Okay, 2. Anything I missed? Right, okay. All of you understood the question? Right, bit tougher only. Tougher or easier? Easy, sir. Take one more assignment. Tomorrow Sunday, no? Any work is there Sunday? until offer letter comes. No eating, no sleeping. Before going to eat something, why I came to this Amirpet, why I am eating, you should remember. Don't eat that biryani and so on until you get an offer letter. Before sleeping, what I done in morning to evening, how many movies I watched, you must not count it. How many programs I done, whether I done the meaningful day in this Amirpet or not, you have to check it. Then only success will come. So every week you write a review. How many days you wasted? If you check like this, in a month, 20 days will be wasted. That number of days you have to decrease income. Then only success will come. And that much of easily how it is possible? Not possible. Right? Assignment. Write a program to display. To display reverse of numbers. Reverse of numbers from 11 to 100. Reverse of numbers 11 to 100. 11 reverse is what? 11 reverse is 11 only, no? 12 reverse is what? 21. 13, 31. 41. 51. Next what? 61. 71. Next what? 81. 91. 20 reverse is 2, no? Right. 21 will become 12. Yes or no? Na? 22 will become 22. 23 will become 32. All of you understood? Right. Try this. 11 to 100. If not, 11 to n. Something. Why I given 11 means a single value reverse. That only will come anyway. Try that. My intention is that reversing logic you are running under the loop or not. Prime number running under the loop or not, you try it. That's my intention. Right. So can we take a break up to here? Right. Okay. So Monday review and conclusion of JVM architecture I'll do. Monday, I'll start the syllabus of object oriented with constructors, blocks, packages. That's for next week. Next week syllabus is constructors, blocks, packages, creating Java project using IDE Eclipse. This is the syllabus for next week. So with that, conclusion of JVM is waiting now. Program counter register, native method area, program that notes is pending 20 minutes that I'll do. So I want to give more programs in this week. You had comfortable programs in your hand already. You type all programs and practice and come. Okay, right. Take a break. Thank you very much for this week.
ఎంత మైనస్ చేసి ఒకసారి యాడ్ చేయాలి. నెంబర్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చి డిజిట్స్ యాడ్ చేయమన్నారు. 123 ఉంటుంది. 123 యాడ్ చేయమన్నారు. 1+2+3 అంటారు. అమౌంట్ డిజిట్స్ ఉంది నెంబర్. వన్ టూ త్రీ అలా యాడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎనభై 0 అయ్యాక 2% చేయడం చేసింది రిజల్ట్